All right, let's clear up a huge misconception in Kubernetes: what container ports actually do. So if you're coming from Docker, you see container port and probably think it's the P flag, right? Well, let's bust that myth right now. Declaring a container port does not expose your app.
Okay, so if it's not for publishing the port, what's it even for?
Think of it like a signpost. It tells other parts of Kubernetes and you where to go. Now let's look at a real-world pod spec. See that port section? It's just one piece. We also need a namespace. This is super important for keeping things organized and isolated. And here's the magic glue: labels. Without them, services have no way to find this pod. So you see, it's all about these different parts working together to define and find your app. All right, enough talk. Let's actually deploy this thing with a few quick commands. Now we can check on our pod and, more importantly, get its internal IP address. So you've got the IP. You can just curl it from your laptop, right? Well, not so fast. That's because pod IPs only exist inside the cluster's private network. They're not reachable from outside. So how do you connect to it for testing? You've got a couple of good options. Option A, jump inside the cluster with another pod and connect from there. Simple. Or my personal favorite, port forward. It creates a secure tunnel right from your machine to the pod.
Okay, so a good question comes up here. What if I just don't declare the port at all?
Believe it or not, your app will still run, but you lose all that nice Kubernetes integration. And one last thing, a common question about security. Does this open up a firewall? Nope, not at all. Container port has nothing to do with firewalls. That's a job for network policies. So to wrap it all up, here's your checklist for doing this the right way every time. So you've mastered connecting to one pod. The real fun starts when you connect them together. What's next?